Hello everyone, welcome back. This is week 5 of Sandusky District Library's virtual story time. And today we're going to talk monsters. Are you excited? All right, let's get started. Hands go up and hands go down. I can turn myself around. I can stand up on one shoe. I can listen, so can you. I can sit, I'll show you how. Story time is starting now. Hello everyone, I'm so glad you're here. Today we are reading books about monsters. So our first book we are going to read is called Monster Party, okay, by Annie Bach. But you know what? Before I get started, I gotta get ready for our monster theme this week. So today, I'm gonna put on my fuzzy monster hands, okay? To read the books. See here? See my monster hands? All right, so let's read our first book. It is called Monsters Party by Annie Bach, like I said. Ready? Monster invited, monster delighted, monster squeals so excited. Monster prepare, monster brush hair, monster picks out underwear. Monster arrive, monster high five. Monster joins the disco jive. Monster spin, monster spin. Monster peaks and monster wins. Monster swoosh, monster whoosh. Monster whacks the candies loose. Monster munch, monster crunch. Monster eats a buggy lunch. Oh, they got bugs on their pizza. I would think I'd rather have something else. Monster blow, monster whoa, monster watch out splat. Oh no. Uh-oh, look what that started. Cupcake fight. Monsters icky, monsters sticky, monsters dig in. They're not picky. Monster unwrap, monster clap. Monster likes his friend's new cap. Oh, that's a nice cap. Monster buy, monsters cry. Monster wipes a teary eye. Monster pout, monster shout. Monster huffs and stomps about. Oh no. Monster wail, monster tail. Monster helps Dad check the mail. Monster invited, monster delighted, monster squeals so excited. Monster glee, monster yippee, monster marks RSVP. And he marked, right there if you can see, attending. The end. Okay, that was our first monster story. Let's get into our monster craft. I'm gonna have to take off my monster hands for this one. Okay, so you have a paper plate in your craft kit, and if you hadn't ordered your craft kit for this week, that's okay. Just go ahead and go onto our Sandusky District Library page, and you can order it today. So you have a paper plate, and then you'll have a bag of goodies. So you're going to take all the construction paper squares, and then you're going to get a glue stick, glue tape, whatever works best for you, and you're going to glue them all over. Cover as much as the plate or as little as the plate you want. And then once you've used all the squares that you want to use, you're going to take these green horns, and you're going to glue or tape them, or both, on the back. Make sure when you're doing this craft that when you glue something down, that you hold it for a little bit, or it'll fall off if you don't hold it for long enough, to really make sure that it sticks. And then you also have in your bag 2 eyes. that you're going to glue on top of your construction paper. So it should turn out, or it could turn out something like this. Your own little monster. And then if you wanted to, I didn't, but if you wanted to take like a marker and draw a mouth on it, you could totally do that too. But I thought he was a cute little fuzzy monster. Okay. All right. Let's get right to the next thing and let's get to our next book. Our next book is called There is a Monster in Your Book. Let's see what kind of monster it is in our book. Okay. There's a Monster in Your Book, and it's written by Tom Fletcher, and it's illustrated by Greg Abbott. He's a cute little monster, right? Let's see. Oh, no. There's a monster in your book. What is he doing? He's eating the book. Let's try to get him out. Shake the book and turn the page. Let me shake the book as I'm turning. Nice try. That knocked him over, but he's still in your book. Tickle his feet and turn the page. Can you help me? Can you help me tickle his feet? Let's tickle his feet. Can you turn the page? That didn't work. He's just laughing and he's still in your book. Try blowing him away. Okay, blow really hard and turn the page. Okay, are you ready? You gotta help me. Ready? That's better. Now he's far away, but he's still in your book. Tilt the book to the left. Okay. See what happens. Now he's over here, but he's still in your book. Tilt the book to the right. Just tilt the book to the right. Does that work? He's hanging on. Oh, that poor monster. What a naughty little monster. Give the book a good wiggle. Good. Now he's back over there, but there's still a monster in your book. Try spinning the book around and around. Let's spin it. Okay, I spinned it. Look, he's dizzy. Quick, make a loud noise. Okay, we're gonna make a loud noise on the top count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Rah! It's working. He's running away. Make that noise again, but louder. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah! He's gone. There isn't a monster in your book anymore. Now he's in your room. Quickly, call him back. Monster, come back. Help me. Monster, come back. Look, here he is. He's coming back. Keep calling him. Okay, keep calling me. Monster, come here, little monster. Come here. Keep helping me call. Phew. He's back in your book. You don't want a monster loose in your room. This book is probably the best place to keep him. Monster, you can stay here in this book. Pet your monster's head and say goodnight. Good night, monster. Shh. Look, he's fast asleep. Gently close the book so he doesn't wake up. All right. I hope you liked our 2 monster stories. I have a couple books to show you for next week, but first, if you haven't signed up for, we have one more spooky live story time this Friday at 7 p.m. So if you haven't signed up yet, there's still time for you to sign up for that story time. And you can do that on our website, or just give us a call if you have any questions or any problems with it. Okay, next week we're gonna do dinosaurs. So I have a couple books to show you that you can either request on curbside or if you come into the library, you can get. One is called Brontorina. Brontosaurus, it's a ballerina. Another one is Dinosaur Thunder. And the last one I have to show you is called Camp Rex. So those are all books that you can check out here at the library. Okay, that's all I have for you this week. I'm so glad that you were able to watch and listen to our stories. Okay, ready? Tickle the stars, tickle your toes, turn around and tickle your nose. Reach down low, reach up high. Story time is over, so wave goodbye. Bye everyone, see you next week.